magiging available na rin po sa service center ng Masinag. Okay? And ladies and gentlemen, this is the second service center that we are going to train this new product training. Kahapon nasa San Pedro kami. Ngayon, nandito kami sa Masinag, and this will be the training for the what? New product. Wala. Yan. Dito lang tayo. So, bago po ang lahat, alamin po muna natin yung ating produkto. Sino sa inyo dito nagkakape?
Siyempre kami.
Most of you have been using the coffee. Kahit walang may rinig pa ako, I try to enlarge my voice. Okay. Nawawala siya. Okay. Lahat kayo dito nagkakape, am I right? Why you drink coffee, guys? Ma-refresh. Ma-relax. Or maybe, sabihin natin, parte na kasi ng buhay natin. So when we choose coffee, we choose a coffee which is beneficial. Okay? You find the DXN coffee beneficial is because of Ganoderma. Kaya po, ito yung uunahin ko sa inyo kasi marami tayong bago rito. Mga hindi pa member or yung mga nagdadalawang isip pa doon sa pag-member sa atin. Or kaya naman, gusto lang talaga nila subukan yung produkto natin. To give you an idea, ladies and gentlemen, here's the thing. We give you the gallotherapy. Sa mga, bakit sabihin nyo, ano na eh, tenured na. Kaya, tenured na sa business. Alam nyo na to. Pero dadaanan natin para mas malinaw sa atin. Okay? Ma-refresh tayo. Number one, pag sinabi po natin na natural food and conventional medicine, we are the company that gives you a food and health supplement. Ladies and gentlemen, sa gumagawa ng business, wala po kaming maririnig na gamot ang aming product. Bakit? Hindi siya gamot. That is a natural food. When you are eating and consuming a natural food, ladies and gentlemen, that will give you an holistic approach. But when you are taking a conventional medicine, it will give you segmental. Anong pinagkaiba nila? Because the focus of the natural food will be the health. And the focus of the conventional medicine will be your disease. Kaya po kapag nagkakasakit tayo, marami tayong iniinom para sa ganito, ganito, ganyan. But for us, the best medicine in the world is food. Okay? So wala siyang tina-target. Kaya marami po ditong testimony, uminom ako ng kape, I take RDG, and I take spirulina. It's because nakagaling sa akin, that is wrong. It's because kaya ka gumaling, your body is what? Healthy. So when the body is healthy, automatically, it can take care of itself. Okay? And next thing is, ang method po natin, prevention. Yan ang hindi naiintindihan ng generation namin. Why? Have you seen a Gen Z asking you, ano ang maganda for my health?
Wala.
Wala. It's because we do not understand that way. Kasi kapag wala kaming nararamdaman, automatically, hindi kami papasok dyan. Okay? So, as a frontliner of the DXN, the first tip that I will give to you is you need to tell to the people, all of the people, especially the young ones, that prevention is better than cure. And the best prevention that you can find in the market is no other than the what? The DXN products. Okay? Later, papaliwanag natin yan. Ang products natin, supplement. Ang products po natin, hindi drugs. Kaya yung mga produkto yan, naka-capsule, naka-tableta, hindi nyo mabibili yan sa drugstore or sa butika. And ang goal natin is wellness, but the medicine is goal is correction. Alam nyo na ang pinagkaiba. Okay? Next, here's the thing. Ladies and gentlemen, meron tayong 4 pillars of health. Sabi dito, para ma-achieve yung healthy talaga, kailangan positive mental attitude. Positive ba tayo lagi?
Yes.
Minsan hindi.
Minsan hindi.
Kasi mamaya, hindi tayo positive. Positive. Okay, always think positive. Number 2, healthy ba ang lifestyle natin?
Hindi.
Sino nagsasabing yes?
Hindi.
Hindi.
Nasa DXN kayo, wala. Number 2, sino nagsasabing healthy lifestyle sila?
Minsan hindi.
Minsan hindi.
Araw-araw, sir.
Ha? Hindi araw-araw.
Hindi araw-araw.
Ha?
Parang ganito, Jollibee. Oh, di ba beef to?
Number 3, it's because you have a healthy diet.
Yan, healthy diet. Yes.
Walang
Healthy
titingin sa
diet.
katabi. Tumitingin kayo sa katabi.
Tumitingin ka.
Eat enough food to give you proper nutrients on your body.
Yes.
Parang isa lang nasa dulo pa yung sumagot.
Yes.
Okay? Sometimes, that is the thing. Ladies and gentlemen, no matter how strict we are on our lifestyle, on our diet, sabi nyo na nga, sumasablay. So that's why you need to support on your body. Dito pumapasok yung supplementation. Okay? Kasi yung dadalhin natin, positive ba tayo lagi? Hindi. Most of the time, we're down. Number 2, lifestyle natin. O, itong tanong ko, simple. Lagi kong tinatanong. Sir, proper lifestyle. Nakakailang oras kayo ng tulog.
Ano nga, din ako sa vlog.
Oh. Kayo, nakailang oras kayo?
7.
Ako paputol-putol eh. Ano tulog ko eh.
Ilan yung
Minsan
oras
nagigising
na
ako 11.
Ninyo, hindi yung dapat na itulog
Tapos
nyo.
sa launa. Stress. Putol-putol ang tulog ko eh.
And that is the reason why you need to have a supplementation on your body. Okay, here's the thing, ladies and gentlemen. Sabi po dito, yung mga sakit po natin is nanggagaling po yan sa dalawang bagay. Isang toxin, isang imbalance. Okay? Ibig sabihin, you have toxin on your body and you have imbalance on your body. May dalawang pong pinanggagalingan yan. Isang external
Internal.
at isang internal. Yung external, ito yung mga bagay na halos hindi natin maiwasan. Pollution, sikat ng araw, stress, medication, hindi tamang lifestyle. Okay? Yung pangalawa, internal. Ano po yan? Particular yan sa pagkain. Bakit? Ang mga Pinoy po kasi, sabi dito sa module, we eat often, mayat, maya.
Maya.
Tama?
Yes.
Kain ng kain. Ilang beses tayo kumakain sa isang araw? Right.
Dalawa na lang, sir.
Walang ano. Sir, sabi mo dalawa na lang.
Kasi hindi na kumakain.
Minsan nga apat.
Okay, that's the part. And we eat too much
Daming
acidic
kape ah.
food.
Ang bigot.
Correct.
We eat too much
Malamig.
cooked food. Lahat po halos ng kinakain natin, niluluto. Okay?
Ito naman
Eh sir,
sinas-
madalas naman gulay ang niluluto ko. Even though, when you cook a vegetable, you break down enzyme. Enzyme is essential for your body. Diba? Kaya nga ang pinaka essential is you eat fresh salad, fresh vegetable, fresh fruit. Okay? And, teka ka, kailan kayo huling kumain ng green vegetable?
Ayun na.
Kanina.
Hindi na.
Kagabi.
Yung iba natatawa na lang.
Kumain akong pipino kagabi. Ngayong tanghali.
Eto po, may tanong ako Sabihin natin, most of us, 100% of this room, we eat green vegetable. How about your children?
Ganun din. We educate.
Ha?
Ganun
Sabaw?
din.
Patay sa yung nutrients nun.
Gusto lang nila ng gulay pagka
Madalas
kunyari
kumakain tayo
lumpiang
ng cold and raw
sariwa.
food. Ganyan kasi yung part natin. Ladies and gentlemen, here's the
Bata
thing.
nang invite mo pa.
Ha?
Bata nang invite mo.
Anak yan ng member ko.
Yan
yung pina-update.
Pero ang tanong ko, how we should are that the doctor or our body is healthy? Or how we can say to the people that I support the doctor that I have, which is our body.
Yes.
Pero ano bang ginagawa? Bakit siya nagiging doktor?